Hello and welcome to our English class. In our today's English class, we will do a chapter for the English Channel book of 6th class. We will do the Unit 3, Section C. The name of the chapter is The Curious Robot. It is written by Jim Westergren. And this chapter is a fiction based, imaginary, full of imagination is there. Jim has imagined about the robots. As the name says, the curious robot. Curious means where we have a lot of questions to fulfill our curiosity. हमारी उत्सुकता को fulfill करने के लिए we put one by one a lot of questions. It never ends. ये हमारे questions कभी खत्म ही नहीं होते. And who is very curious? A robot. इस chapter में there is a robot. His name is Ting Tong. Ting Tong, he is very curious. वो बहुत उत्सुक है and to fulfill his curiosity, अपनी उत्सुकता को fulfill करने के लिए he asks one after one questions, a lot of questions. And this chapter is, as I told you, it's a imaginary chapter which is not real at present. जो reality में हो नहीं सकता at the present time, but it may happen in the future. Future में हो सकता है. And that's the reason the writer said कि at present which year is going on? It is the year 2021. So after 100 years, पूरे 100 years के बाद, when the year comes 2121, just imagine how the planet Earth will be. Who will habitate there? वहाँ पे यहाँ पर कौन रहेंगे? That time humans are very less and these robots are in more in numbers. और robots की जो numbers होंगे, it will be in millions and billions, just like we humans are now. So this chapter is in a play form. ये एक नाटक के रूप में है. And the main characters of this chapter is 3 robots and 1 human. And the robot names are Ting Tong. And Ting Tong is a new inventor. It's very small and curious new robot. So this chapter is based on his curiosity only, Ting Tong's curiosity. The second is Fixol. Fixol is a motor specialist robot. He is specialist in motor vehicles. And the third is Mobot. Mobot is a senior robot. He is the senior most robot who supervise other robots. So let's start this chapter. It is the year 2121. Earth is inhabited by robots and there are less than 1,000 humans on the planet. Some robots are at a repair workstation by the side of a broad highway. Ficol is teaching the trade to his apprentice Ting Tong. Now, when the year 2021 is there, what will happen? जो अर्थ है वहाँ पर robots are there more in numbers and जो humans हैं, जो human beings हैं, they are even less than 1,000. Just imagine humans less than 1,000 means they are उनकी क्वांटिटी, उनके नंबर कितने कम हो गए हैं. एंड द प्लैनेट इज फुल ऑफ रोबोट्स. और जो रोबोट्स हैं दे आर वर्किंग एवरीवेयर. सो दिस टिंग टोंग, फिक्सॉल एंड मोबोट, दे आर वर्किंग इन अ वर्क स्टेशन, रिपेयर वर्क स्टेशन ऑफ मोटर व्हीकल्स. एंड दिस वर्क स्टेशन इज by the side of a broad highway. हाईवे के साइड में है ये वर्क स्टेशन. And this Fixel, who is the specialist in motor vehicles, he is giving training to Ting Tong, the new robot, small and new robot. Usko he is giving the training. You can see the picture. The picture is there here, and there are 2 robots. One is in blue color and the second one is in yellow color. Yellow color, its height is small. He is a small robot which is newly invented, and you can see the TT is there, so it is Ting Tong, and this is your Ficol. F is written. It is the motor specialist robot. Now there the Ficol started talking with Ting Tong. You have seen how I put the plates together. Ting Tong, now do the same for that car over there. I want this robot car operational in half an hour. Now Ting Tong is guiding Ficol is guiding Ting Tong that you have seen, आपने मुझे देखा कि how I put the plates together, मैंने plates को कैसे एक साथ put किया, arrange किया. Now you follow the same thing and do the same thing to a particular car. एक जो कार बताई गई, इस कार पे आपने यही सेम प्रोसीजर फॉलो करना है. एंड आई वांट, मुझे चाहिए कि ये जो कार है जिसमें आपने प्लेट्स पुट करनी है, दैट विल बी इन वर्किंग कंडीशन विद इन हाफ एन आवर. एक आधे घंटे के अंदर दैट कार शुड बी ऑन द रोड, वर्किंग होनी चाहिए. टिंग टोंग, just as you say mentor. Mentor is a teacher or a guide. So Ting Tong is answering, yes, I will follow you, my teacher, with eyes shifting back to the road. Still his eyes are on the highway, what all vehicles are moving from that road. I just need to put these two metal plates together. He is confirming his mentor कि I have to just put two metal plates together. मुझे सिर्फ ये दो metal plates ही लगानी है उसके अंदर. Ficol, you better be quick. आप अपना काम जल्दी कीजिए. I'm sure there will be many more cars for us to repair. So not only we have to repair this car, there will be many more cars we have to repair. So first finish this work. Stop gazing at those passing cars. Gazing means घूरना, so don't gaze at other cars which are passing on the road. Get on with your work now. You will get to see plenty of that stuff. तो अभी concentrate on your work, अपने काम पे ध्यान दीजिए and don't look at the other cars जो road पे move कर रही हैं, जो pass हो रही है वहाँ पर. Now you can see the picture. He is guiding and he is ordering. He is ordering him to put the plates to a particular car and repair it. And his full concentration is on the road कि कौन सी cars आ रही हैं and कौन सी नहीं आ रही हैं. And then he saw a car. फिर वो एक कार देखता है which is coming with 4 motorbikers along with the robots. So let's see now what the Ting Tong says. Oh, you can't miss this one. A fancy car being escorted by 4 special blue robots on motorbikes. What is this? Now, just we have seen a car along with 4 motorbikes and they are escorting that special car. Now, escorting means when we respect a particular person or group of person, so we escort them. Just like in our annual function, हम अपने चीफ गेस्ट को escort करके लेके आते हैं, हम उनको surround करके उनको पूरे respect के साथ we will bring them to the stage. Similarly, these 4 motorbikes on which robots are sitting, they escorted that particular fancy car. And Ting Tong can't control himself and he is telling even this Ficol can't ignore it. It's so special. It's something special. The car comes to a halt and the 4 blue robots stand at each of 4 doors of the vehicle. One robot opens the left rear door. Now, as you can see in the picture, this black car stopped, halt हो गई है and the 4 robots who were escorting this car, they were standing near all 4 windows of the car and the left rear window open hui. Then what happened? Ficol looks at it casually. उसको मतलब it's not a new thing for Ficol, it was casual thing. This is not a robot. The person who came out from the car, Ficol said, it is not a robot, it is a human. ये क्या है? ये एक human being है. Now TikTok, wow, a human, I finally get to see one. Lastly or finally, I got a chance to see one human being. मुझे एक human being को देखने का मौका मिला. The human steps out of the car. जो human था वो बाहर निकलता है कार से, surrounded by 4 escort robots, which is still escorted by 4 blue color robots. He looks a bit small in comparison to them. ये जो human है as compared to these robots, his size is bit small. वो थोड़ा सा छोटा है. What a strange creature. It looks such a silly thing. So TikTok is thinking that कि this human is a very strange creature. बहुत अजीब सा creature है, जीव है ये, and it looks, वो बड़ा ही silly सा funny सा look है इसका, because he is a robot and for him other things looks funny. Ficol. Now Ficol is answering, don't underestimate humans. They are superior to us robots. They can perform any action they want to. Now Ficol is answering the TikTok that don't underestimate these humans. इन humans को कम मत समझो. They are very powerful. They are superior. वो हमसे काफी powerful, strong है. They can perform any kind of action. वो कोई भी action कर सकते हैं which they want to do. Mobot, the supervising robot, see the human and joins the conversation between Ficol and TikTok. Now both Ficol and TikTok, they were talking, and who joined? Mobot, the supervising robot. He joined them and he was looking at the human. वो human को देख रहा था कि he also arrived here. Now Mobot, even those actions which robot cannot perform, he added to Ficol that TikTok, you can't ignore these humans. They are really very powerful. They are superior, and even they can do those actions which we cannot do. हम robots भी वो काम नहीं कर सकते which these humans can do. Ficol, quietly, yes. So in a very slow voice, Ficol कहता है, yes, you are right. They can give orders to robot, destroy them, or construct new ones. They can even destroy other human beings. In fact, they are very fond of doing this. Now Ficol is adding more qualities to this human, that ये जो humans हैं, they had made us. उन्होंने robots को बनाया है, create किया है. They can destroy them. वो हमें destroy भी कर सकते हैं. And still they can manufacture or construct new, invent new. And not only robots, even they destroy other human beings. ये जो ह्यूमन है वो अपने ही फेलो पीपल्स को भी डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हैं, एंड दे लव डूइंग इट, और उनको बड़ा मजा आता है जब वो अपने अदर ह्यूमन बींग्स को डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं, उनको मार देते हैं. मोबॉट, दे डू नॉट इवन हैव टू फॉलो ऑर्डर्स इफ दे डोंट वांट टू. ह्यूमंस फॉलो ऑर्डर्स, बट इन केस दे डोंट वांट टू फॉलो द ऑर्डर्स, दे डोंट फॉलो इट. मीन्स अगर उनकी विल है देन दे फॉलो द अदर ऑर्डर्स. अगर उनकी विश नहीं है दे वॉन्ट लिसन टू अदर्स. दे डू वट एवर दे वॉन्ट टू डू. टिंग टोंग, रियली, सच में? व्हाट अ डेंजरस थिंग. आई कैन ओनली रिपेयर कार्स. नाउ टिंग टोंग इज सरप्राइज्ड कि सच में दीज ह्यूमन बींग्स आर सो डेंजरस. बट वट आई नो हाउ टू रिपेयर अ कार. दैट मच आई नो. Mobot, if you try to give them orders, they will blow your circuits. Now, Mobot is adding one more quality of humans, that if he is informing TikTok, he is instructing TikTok that if we will not follow the orders of human, अगर हम इन humans का order follow नहीं करेंगे तो they can ब्लो आर सर्किट्स. मीन्स वो हमारे सर्किट्स काट देंगे, हमारे इलेक्ट्रिक पावर्स कट कर देंगे, एंड दे मीन्स अल्टीमेटली दे कैन डिस्ट्रॉय अस अगर इफ वी विल नॉट फॉलो देयर ऑर्डर्स. द ह्यूमन स्टार्ट वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स द गैरेज. अब वो ह्यूमन गैरेज की तरफ मूव करता है. टिंग टोंग, लुक हाउ इट वॉक्स. इट डज नॉट कम टू इट्स फुल हाइट एंड वॉक स्ट्रेट लाइक अ रोबोट. Now again the next curiosity, he looks at this human and he said कि just look at the human. उस human को देखो, उसने अभी अपनी full height भी नहीं ली है. मीन्स he has not yet grown up fully. अभी वो पूरा बड़ा भी नहीं हुआ है, because he is comparing human with a robot. So but still he is walking so straight just like us robot, और वो हम robots की तरह ही बिल्कुल straight walk कर रहा है, and he is finding this very strange, उसको बहुत अजीब सा लग रहा था. Human, now human is started robot's attention. He is calling all the robots and he pressed a green button on a hand handle device. उसने किसी एक डिवाइस पे एक ग्रीन बटन को प्रेस किया. All the robots quickly stand in a line, और सभी robots एक लाइन में खड़े हो जाते हैं वहां पर. Are all the robot cars functioning? Now the human is asking. वहां पर मोबोट भी आ जाता है एंड ही इज द सुपरवाइजर, सो ही इज अप्रोचिंग. Mobot approaches the human to answer routine questions. Human came here to inspect is everything is going well. So who is answering the human? Mobot, the supervisor. So the question of the human was, are all the robot car functioning? क्या सभी robot cars functioning कर रही हैं? Well, Mobot said, yes sir. He said, yes, all the cars are functioning well.